Day 8 is here. Alright! It's time to get an edge on the blade. I'm gonna sharpen it up and work on the sheath. Now, the deal is I don't screw it up. So I'm wearing rubber gloves so I don't stain the handle with any crap that gets on my hands. So I'm gonna be extra careful with everything today. And let's finish her off. Day 8 is complete, the knife is done, the sheath is completed as well. I'm quite thrilled with it. I like how everything kind of sweeps together really nicely. Had to change some of the rivets. I did that off camera. I put different colors and they were the wrong length. And hey, learning. When you're learning stuff, if you can backtrack and fix it, go for it. Sometimes you can't. This is the first time I do the sandwich construction, so 3 layers with leather. Usually I add pins to stop the cutting edge. I'm gonna give this a nice little oiling and then bring it outside and take some beauty shots of it and pass it on to the buyer. Luckily it's a friend of mine and I'm gonna be able to use it every now and then. Alright. On to the next project. Give me a follow, guys, like the video, and tell me what you want to see next in the comments. Alright, off she goes to the owners. See you guys. I feel a sense of zen-like balance in my life. I just ate cookies. Maybe it's the cookies talking. I don't know. If you like this video, please follow and like it. Thanks. Appreciate it.